If we're going to talk about the basics of drywall, first thing we got to talk about is how to cut a sheet. And this is a T-square. You're definitely going to need one of these. The most basic cut you can make is just a cross cut right down the end of the sheet to cut it to length. So I want to cut this drywall to 6 foot. Take your tape, hook it down at the end, come out here to 6 foot. You can make a mark with your pencil, or you can just go ahead and make a mark right away with your knife. Either way. Then you're going to take your T-square, slide it over to the mark, put your foot on the bottom here just so the bottom can't move, and make a cut. So now we have the sheet scored. To break it, just pull it back away from the pile a little bit, lean it a little bit towards you, and just push it. Put your hand right behind the cut here, push it. It's going to break right along that line. Then you can take your knife, reach in behind here, and cut the paper right in that crease. You can also run your knife right up inside here a little bit to get the bottom half. Easy peasy. So the next most common cut that you need to be able to make is to cut the sheet lengthways, this way. And one skill that you need to develop, especially if you're going to be an aspiring carpenter or you want to do a lot of drywall work, you need to learn how to use your tape measure as a guide for a knife or for a pencil. And that's basically accomplished by using your index finger that's holding the tape measure to ride along the top of the sheet, and you want to use your knife or your pencil on the blade of the tape measure, and you want to be able to use this as a guide. So for instance, if we wanted to rip this to 8 inches, you make a mark at 8 inches with your pencil or your knife, either one, and then take your knife, hook it behind the blade of the tape measure, adjust the tape in and out until it's oriented where you want it, and then use your finger on the top of the sheet here, and just get used to swiping a tape like that. It's just a skill that you're going to have to learn. Then with this, same thing, give it a little pop, and then run your knife either across the front or in behind here, either way. Pull it towards you. You got it. And there was an old timer that showed me a trick where if you want to smooth the edge, the cut edge of your drywall, you can use these two pieces and rub them against one another, back and forth. Kind of rasps them against one another before you take the sheet away.